Imagine entering a building, lights turn on, the room feels comfortable, and water flows smoothly.
All these systems work together in the background to make a building functional.
This is where MEP engineering comes in. Let's understand it step by step.
MEP stands for Mechanical, Electrical, and Plumbing Systems. These systems help make buildings usable in daily life. Let's start with mechanical systems. These include heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. These systems help control temperature, air movement, and indoor comfort. In large buildings, air is conditioned in a central unit and distributed through ducts.
Next are electrical systems, which provide power throughout the building.
They include lighting systems and power distribution that support daily operations. These systems are designed for stable and efficient performance across the building. Plumbing systems manage water supply and flow within the building. They ensure water reaches all areas and is properly carried away after use. All MEP systems are placed within walls, floors, and ceilings as part of the structure. Proper planning ensures all systems fit together smoothly. Modern tools help organize these systems efficiently.